Really shifting now as we come around the corner. Clip the bush apex. Sit rep. We have to leave the drone behind and go get some PVC because ain't nobody getting up this. Clip it. Yes. Coming to a stop and across the line. Beautiful location. Sounds fine, but we're gonna find out the hard way.
All the way live from beautiful Southern California. It is a cutscene to another drone.
Woo, scared.
This would be part 2.
I really am scared.
Of the crane chase. The UFO challenge.
Oh, I gotta switch over to acro. There we go. Switching over to acro. We're gonna go the same place you went. See, look, I'm getting. Just wonder if a motor's touching or something.
This is the last of the 2808 videos.
Oh shit! So I'm gonna go down the sidewalk. You ready?
You gotta let chase and then be chased, you know?
Am I good or no?
We're standing kind of close, keeping our distance according to the California regulations.
See if we can get the crane in here.
Just chilling on a 6S.
Yes. Breakup right there. Going around the crane. A lot of breakup,
We can go way, way farther.
Back from the crane. How about we go in the street? Can we do that? You got me or not? Here. Oh, I see you. I'm above you. Alright, let's go up. Go back to the parking lot, go back to the sidewalk. The far end of the other sidewalk. I see you. I'm gonna go down the sidewalk.
How are you doing today? We were just cruising, man.
Good, no good.
Practice proximity. Pitch break.
There's not a dive there.
Oh man, that was sweet though.
You follow me? Huh? It's not a dive. There's a little gap right here.
I think that music
shit,
means
I don't know about
we're
that.
going to crash, but ooh, the echo in the background. Woo.
Where are you? I hear you. Your battery low?
Yes, it was super smooth, but the gain wasn't there that I needed.
It's a beautiful location.
We're on to something a little bit bigger now. 19, smaller but bigger kV. Smooth. I like doing that. Hook it. That's what weight does. And we crash.
Oh no, I'm in a palm tree.
It took us like forever to get that thing down. I don't even have video of it. That's how much effort we put into getting that thing down. June Loke. Oh, 619. June Loco 619. Proximity chase. Keeping it steady. Coming around the corner. Coming around Hammerhead. A little bit of understeer. That's okay. That's okay. We get it together. Oh, it's close. Close the gap. Closing the gap. As we hit Gambon. Oh, we get a little loose. I'm telling you that weight. 3, 2, 1. Last corner. And across the line.
We got this building here. It's like a tri-shaped, but mainly the interest is this.
This would be
Qualcomm Stadium, and then they're tearing it down. I thought I'd fly over there. This is a, but I don't know if I want to fly over there yet. I might if I'm feeling it. I don't know until I'm flying. It's one of those things.
Let's just go for it. That is an active tramway if you were to go out here, just so you know. Don't fly over the tramway. Go under the tramway. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that analog power. DJI 2. I want to fly over here again and fly through the columns before they tear it down. I didn't even know they were tearing it down. It's crazy. Think about how many games you might have been there. Look at that view. Like a Roman Colosseum. We turn back. Battery midway through. I feel like a little bit of freestyle. We suckle on the 6S battery. Alright, we're gonna crash again. I know what video this is. We're gonna crash in like 60 seconds or something like that. And we totally catch this thing on fire. It didn't actually catch it on fire, just FYI. But let's get it, you know what I mean? Flying smooth. Look at that. So buttery. Dang, the audio. No! Don't do it, AC. Slant, you got it already. Land. Is this the same video? Oh, here we go. Okay.
Hold on.
Who put that song in there? Jesus.
What up, baby? Look, I still got a lot of battery, I think.
Oh, yes. As the day came to an open.
Whew. Oh!
Just happens.
It was on fire. Shut up! After the crash damage, this motor was literally on fire. Look at it, melted the prop and everything. Look at it. Motors are burnt.
I want you to know we got two more in the arsenal. The Mark 1007 and the 1007.5. And I have another, the Mark 1008, which is a Flywoo croc frame. We have another, I don't want to talk about that one actually. Check this out, we're just flying through the park. They were flying little boats on the water, and I was thinking, oh, we're gonna go over here. But we just cruised. I saw some ducks over here. Ducks don't give a crap about your drone. I just want to let you know. But I think they'd run into it. Testing a little bit of range. How close can we get to the ground? Look at these ducks. Yeah, this is a cool shot. Look at that. Yes. We just do the motor sound because I used to watch videos. Oh, look at this. There's a bunch of people. Oh, I remember this. People like the drone in general. Just don't hit anybody. And know when to get out.
I gotta adjust my brightness on my red dot.
Oh, you can totally see it.
I adjust my brightness here on my red dot, all the way up to a big glow.
Shit.
And you know how, if you guys have played the video games,
That would be on Wednesday. We have a new segment series, Mini. We'll be talking about parts that you find in video games, but in real life. Not handled by me, handled by an actual expert. He's gonna be on the show. He's gonna do like 8 videos. Make sure and stay tuned.